Hindi ba pwede yung palakihin ako dito? Wala naman akong kasama pa.
Tingnan mo.
Yung sa screen.
Ano, hindi nakasaksak.
Ano ba? Ano?
Tuloy ng ulo. Sasayin ko na ito. Baba, hindi pa nakaano.
O nak, ano ko lang, iayos ko lang ha. Hello, hello. Oo, ano, nagse-set up pa lang ako. Nagpa-practice uli. Oo, ano, nagse-set up pa lang ako. Nagpa-practice uli. Naka-StreamYard ako, Donya. Sige nak, thank you very much ha. Ingat kayo dyan, ingat. Nak Grace. Naka-StreamYard ako, Donya. Sige nak, thank you very much ha. Ingat kayo dyan, ingat. Nak Grace. Okay. Nandito na naman tayo mga kasampal. Yung iba talaga. Yung bulis natin, ano?
Wala ako oras sa hapon eh. Wala ako oras sa hapon. Hello. Hello, sound test. Hello, sound. Hello, Nak, Madis, thank you very much. Pa-practice ako para sa Grand Stock Premier to. Parang
Hello. Thank you very much dyan sa FB. Maraming salamat. We start. And thank you very much dyan sa YouTube. And make a good vibes. Just for fun. Sonya, ano ko lang. Pwede naman umakyat kahit mga dalawang kanta, isang kanta. Practice lang ba?
DJ Karen. DJ Karen.
Yes, mega love shout out. Madam Agnes, Dagdag Velasco. Diyan sa FB. Oh. Dikit mo na rin yung isa para dalawa na. Okay. Sige. Yung request mo, mamaya ha. Nag-aayos pa ko eh. Hindi ko maayos yung mga get-up ko. Salamat ha. Salamat.
DJ Karen.
Oo. Libangan lang to. Libangan lang. Wala eh. Kumakanta tayo. Facebook. O di, mas mabuti na lang ito.
DJ Karen.
Manood ka bukas alauna sa YouTube live ko grand live stream yard ko. Hello, mega love shout out Carla Agustin. Thank you for your joining me to my live stream in YouTube and Facebook. 5 million in the house of Lakay music lovers. Thank you very much for coming. Andyan yung link nakapin. O sino yung gustong umakyat. Hello, Nak. Biswar, good morning to practice lang na sa stream yard ulit para sa bukas 1 p.m. Hello, good morning, bro Tony. Yan, may ka na, salawal ka na. Justin Tuner, I'm mode. Sino to? Si Justin. Justin Tuner. No subscribers. Even one. Are you came from? Hello, CFF. Best friend. How are you there? Mega love shout out sa iyo niya. Evelyn Ramos. And your loving family. Yes. Justin Turner. Please bring your link, main link channel. Grace, thank you. Tony's official para sa watching, waiting for watching. Yeah, pag-ilab-lab na lang si Tony official, kanyang binaba. Sis Arlene Sablawan, thank you very much. Thank you sa pangarap. Nah, this word. Mega love shout out sa lahat. Coming from Arlene, Sablawan City. Thank you, Donya. Thank you. Bro, Dongbal, thank you for coming. Bakit nakalawit yan? Eto na, may brief ka na, bro. Love nga yung ano. Yung bagong upload ko, mga kapatid. Madam Noli Ramos, good morning. Mega love shout out coming from Dongbal. Swarna, thank you, ha. Kanta nga tayo. Parang kanta nga tayo. May pinapractice kasi akong kanta. Subukan natin to.
Siomai Chow Fan. Tikman na!
Get life insurance for free. Just open an all-access account with Security Bank. Free life insurance coverage up to 3 million pesos. No medical exams required. Security Bank.
Ito yung bagong pinapractice ko eh. Now so many roads faded. A big white flowers sound you so sad song. And every round with the candle you search was for the free. And the clouds raining down one big love. Every life do they fade in. Let's survive. We don't make it. Your petty mind is the tumbler. And you made it sound. Wanna shine. Yeah! O, di ba? Masaya? Ito yung pinapractice ko. Pinopromote ko. I-upload ko. Thank you, Arlene. You followed me down so many roads, baby. I think when flowers are, you so sad song. And every road is the candle you search from the truth. And the clouds trembling now won't be love. The storm never lasts, do they fade? Woo! Bad chance we the wind. Your petty mind is the thunder. And you made the sun wanna shine. Yeah! Love never lasts, do they fade? That's we the wind. Your petty mind is the thunder. And you made the sun wanna shine. Version to the version. And you made the sun wanna shine. Yeah! Yan yung ano, ina-practice ko mga ilang days. Sarili kong version yon. Kinuha ko lang yung tono. Ito pa yung isa na practice ko.
You're a Jenny.
Life will yung ano, yung reason away the sweet heart that I left behind. In the moment of love, a face comes before me, the face of my pretty moonlight. Moonlight, moonlight, walk down by the wheel, pretend that your hands holding mine. I see clouds above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty moonlight. Look up towards the heavens tonight when the stars are to shine. By the singing stars above me, I swear that I love you. You are my queen, oh my. You are my queen, oh my. Yes. Tatlo ito eh. Tatlo itong pinapractice ko na pang-upload. Baka sakali magustuhan.
One enemy remaining. I got two.
There's a light, certain kind of light that never shone on me. I want my love to be live with you, live with you. There's a way. Everybody say to do it simply little thing. But what does it bring if I ain't got you? Ain't got you, baby. You don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Love somebody, love somebody, we all love you. In my dream, I see your face again. I'm my frame of mind. You ain't got to be so blind. I'm blind, so really blind. I'm a man, a pokey man. I believe I pray for That's true. If I ain't got you, ain't got you. Hey, baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Look somebody, look somebody, raise up your hand. We all love you. Don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Look somebody, look somebody, real love. Nag-swerte ko na rin. Brigades, yes. Kinakanta ko to eh. Pero nire-revise ko yung nire-revise ko yung ah, what I mean, meron na pong sariling version. Yan, tatlo yan, yung Proline, Storm Never Lasts, na pinapractice ko na sa sarili kong version. Ano bro? Kapsat! Kapatid! Barbarian! Mega lang shout out sa iyo dyan. Nagpa-practice lang ako para sa aking live stream grand bukas. Salamat sa harang. Tirahin ko. Baka tirahin pa lang.
Patamisin ang araw with CDO Sweet Ham. May
love will grow like a river, it will flow. It can't die because I'm so devoted to you. Ito yung pinapractice ko pa. Baka pwedeng pang-upload. Yes, thank you very much. Yan sa FB. Don't forget to follow my friend Jan sa FB, si ano ba to? Basta yung yung mga kasamahan ko diyan sa maano nyo, paki-follow na lang sila ha. Sila kukuha ako ng listahan ko para ano ko lahat sila. Kasi baka may hindi ko mabanggit. Mali. Pag-post ako, pag-follow lang sila. Or dito ko isasabihin yung aking friend sa YouTube na may FB, paki-follow na lang sila at shout out ko dito pagkat nagawa. Maraming salamat sa inyo. God bless you all dyan sa Facebook. Pa-practice tayo ng pang-upload. Na natin to. Bakit? Kung mayroon Lady Gaga, mayroon Boy Gago. Diba?
May bagong extra look ito. Payless Extra Big ito. Bagong pack, parehong sarap. Pili na.
Karaoke TFB.
Hello, Grace. Thank you. With no reason a sky burning in your eyes. You look at me, make me wanna catch some fire. It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, maybe it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, always trying to cry. We don't know how to cry, but just we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. The part of me that you will never die. When I hold your cup and I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and down, I'll always remember us this way. Ooh, yeah, I don't wanna be just a memory, baby, yeah. Every time we say goodbye, baby, when the sun goes down and the band plays, I'll always remember us this way. Yeah, when you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. Wow. Thank you very much for joining me. Yan sa FB at saka sa YT. Thank you very much. Isingin nga natin yung vocal cord. Ah. Thank you very much. Sa pa-heart dyan sa FB. I wish that with my tongue to the Tennessee wall when I'm not happy to see. I introduced you to my loved one, and while they were dancing, my friends stole my from me. I remember the night of the Tennessee road. Now I know it's so much I have lost. Make a love shout out for I like you. Night they were playing a beautiful Tennessee walk. Thank you very much. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you so much. And also by Patty. Mega lang shout out. Madam, hey, I like I was dancing with my darling to the Tennessee wall when I'm not happy to see. I introduced my loved one, and while they were dancing, my friends stole my sweet from me. I remember the night of the Tennessee walk. Now I know just so much I've loved. Yes, I lost the night they were playing the beautiful Tennessee walk. Yes, thank you very much. Sana all Kanta, idol tayo. Yeah. You can do it to sing a song after your morning. Sis Rose, mega mega love shout out coming from Janice. Ito. Ito pa isang pinapractice ko eh. Isang pinapractice ko pa na kanta. Saglit. Lolobat yung aking sound card. Baka biglang okay. Tuloy ang ligaya. Thank you very much dyan sa FB. Ha? Wasted days and wasted life I have left for you behind. For you don't belongs to me. Your heart belongs to someone else. Why should I keep loving you when I know that you're not? And why should I call your name when you're playing for making me blue? Don't you remember the days that you went away and left me? I was so lonely, waiting for love. Why should I keep loving you when I know that you're not? And why should I call your name when you're playing for making me blue? Why should I keep loving you when I know that you're not? And why should I call your name when you're playing, making me happy? Oh, dear, that you went away and left me. I was so lonely, waiting for love. Why should I keep loving you when I know that you're not? And why should I call your name when you're playing for making me blue? isa na ating pinapractice para sa upload natin. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Ulitin ko lang to. Kasi ginagamay ko to para i-upload ko, i-record ko. Bagong version ko na. You follow me down so many roads, baby. The big wet flowers sound, you saw that song. And every road you took that note, you searched for the truth. And the clouds growing down won't be alive. Do they baby? Wait a minute. Yeah. Woo. Let's cha-cha. Saturday morning. Oh, cha-cha. You followed me down so many roads, baby. A big one flower sound, you so sad. And every road we took I know, you search was for the truth. And the clouds growing down won't be alive. The stars never last, don't need me. That gentleman, wait a minute. Your body fine, and you made it sound, what a shine. Woo! Stars never last, don't need me. That gentleman, with me. You're made by you, doctor. And you made it sound, what a shine. Woo! Yeah. You made it sound, what a shine. Yes, let's shout out, everybody. Yan yung aking version Pinapractice ko yan para sa aking pang-upload. Thank you lahat. Thank you dyan sa pa-heart-heart dyan sa FB. Thank you very much for joining me to my live stream. Pare ko, TV, saglit lang nag-ano itong moderator, moderator, bibigyan kita ng, bibigyan kita ng, yakit. And you are now standard moderator of Takay Music Lover. Yan. Hanap pa ako ng kanta. natin kung paano. Feeling karaoke. Ito yung golden memories. Ito yung gusto kong ano kasi single lang siya, si duet. Lyric ko para mata. Ito maganda rin to eh. Sige lang, pag-love-love na lang yung mga dyan ha. tayo. Oo nga eh. Mega mega love shout out sa iyo dyan. Jerly Gangan. Thank you very much for watching. Gaganda nito eh. Yung love song na to.
Willingly, I'll be yours. Willingly, I'll wait for you. All my love and all my life,
Mega mega love shout out, Margarita.
I would give for you.
Ito yun pala.
Only you. Wish you were mine. Wish you belong to me. Here and all the time, wanting you to care for me. Want you to know I love you so. Oh, could it be you too need me? We're wasting time. Say you'll be mine.
Mega mega love shout out.
My love. Night and day you're there in dreams beyond compare, giving your love so divine. You could make these dreams come true if you walk into my love, my life, and say you're mine. Willingly, I'll be yours. Willingly, I'll wait for you. All my love and all my life, I would give for you. Only you. Wish you were mine.
Ganun pala yun. Thank you, Lisa. Willingly, I'll wait for my love and all my work. I will give you all you. Wish you my, wish you love. You and all one thing is you care for me. I want you to know I love you so. All to be free. You two did me. There was the time. Say my love. Not a day it Hello, mega love shout out, Madam Mariko, yes. And mega love shout out, Tony, Madam Tony M. Ramos. Oh, lagi, follow na lang yan, si Tony M. Ramos. I will keep you. Ulit, pakinggan natin ulit.
Willingly, I'll be yours. Willingly, I'll wait for you. All my love and all my life I would give for you. Only you. Wish you were mine. Wish you belonged to me. Here and
Mahiga ka
all
dyan,
the
LP.
time,
Laki ng tawa mo ah.
wanting you to care for me. Want you to know I love you so. Oh, could it be you too need me? We're wasting time. Say you'll be mine, my love.
Ewan si Donya.
Night and day you're there
Kabaryan, thank you very
in
much.
dreams
Sige, babae
beyond
ng kantahan. Babae nyo lang dyan.
giving your love so divine. You could make these dreams come true if you walk into my love, my life, and say you're mine. Willingly, I'll be yours. Willingly, I'll wait for you.
Ano na lang?
All my
Love si
love
yung pinaba ni Kabaryan.
and all my life I would give for you.
Hindi ko siya maipit kasi pag nipit ko siya, mawawala yung
Only
hagdan.
you.
Hindi ako marunong.
Wish you were mine.
Mag-isuyo na lang kay Kabaryan.
Wish you belong to me. For I'll be yours. Yes, I'll be yours.
Listen, you pay monthly fees for
Gandang music na yun.
mahina ka. Hello, sound. Hello, sound. Yes, hello. Hello, sound. Hello. Hello, sound. Yes. Hello, sound, sound, sound. Hello, sound.
Bawat
Shout out. Skin line. Turn the corals across the floor. I was feeling kind of seasick. But the crowd pulled out for more. The room as she sailed into when we called out for another queen. Waiter brought a tray, and so we cried that later, as the thriller always climbed. But her face at first is lovely. Her rider say to play. There is no reason, and the truth is plain to see. But I wonder to not playing first, and
that would not ever. One year, 16, that's still 14. So early. Oh no, my eyes go up and they might just as well. And so it was that day as the pillar called his name, that her face of hers just lost turn right to see the face. And so it was that day as the pillar called his name, that her face of hers just lost turn lighter till it fade.
Sige lang, nagpa-practice lang at maraming kanta dito na pwede kong pa-practice. Yung mga kinakanta na ito yung mga kabanbanwagan, servisyo tayo. Nawawala na raw yung garter.
Heavenly shade of my morning, it's all I can. Out of the mist, your voice is calling, it's what I can. When purple color touches money and a day, I'll give you my dear, it's what I can. It makes the shadows cut a through. I stay still. Fingers of my lips.
Parang hindi ito eh. Bato. Twilight time. Pag-makeup. So ito. Hindi mabilis. Nakasikaso muna yung mga dapat dyan. Okay lang si tatay rito. Magpa-practice lang. Parang mabagal eh.
Heavenly shade of night I'm falling, it's what I do. Out of the mist
Thank you. Thank you,
Ang ubo, mabilis lumala. Kaya dapat agapan. Dapat New Solmux Advanced Syrup. May 2 times zinc para ang ubo, imbis na lumala, tulungang mabilis mawala. New Solmux Advanced Syrup.
Unilab yan.
lang pala yung art of mind. Ito, art. Tingnan natin. Kung kaya nating kantahin to. Kabisado, hindi ko naririnig. Alam tayo ulit. Ito kaya. Ayun. Music muna kayo ha. Kain lang ako. Gugutom ako. Rehams. Oh, galing sa Lucena, inuwi ng asawa ko. Reham. Saglit lang ah. Salang ko lang. Oh. Saglit lang ah. Salamat ah sa support sa tambay ah.
Mindanao Mix Go.
DJ Wally Mars.
Mindanao Mix Go.
DJ Wally Mars.
Mindanao Mix Go.
Okay, roll the drop.
Mindanao Mix Go.
This is the mix of DJ Wally Mars.
Palaging mayroong kulang sa isang pagmamahal. Ang tanging kanilangan, puso ay mapatiyan. Dahil sa'yo'y nararamdaman ang tunay na pagmamahal. Ibibigay kita kahit kung sino ka man.
Okay, roll the drop.
Ikaw na nga ang hinahanap ng puso. Ang siyang magbibigay ng saya, ang tanging at lambing sa buhay ko. Ikaw na nga ang bawat
Miss, thank you very much ha. Thank you.
pag-ibig
2 oras naman na ako. Trial lang to. Sige na, tanong naman. Mag-close na ako. Mag-end naman na ako. Bro, thank you very much ha. Pagka hindi ka busy sa bukas na, di ba, 3 kanta, mag-busy, okay lang. Kung gawin mo 2. Okay. Tirahin mo yung labat ako. Practice din, pero hindi yata kaya yun. Bro. Pero kung meron sayang yun ha. Tuloy mo yung oversize, sayang. Baka abot ka pa nga kung masakali kasi iabot ko ng 4 siguro o 5 hours. Sige lang bro, unahin mo yun. Overtime. Pagka LS mo, sabi ka lang sa akin time para nagpulot oras ko. Kahit nasa palengke ako, wag lang nakakapag na mag-pick up ako. Yan ako. Sabi ka lang. Yes, my friend. Mega lang shout out sa iyo. Rafael Gahudo Capral Jr. And mega lang shout out Rogeline Bina Gahudo. Thank you very much for joining me to my live stream. Yung mga ano ko ha, next siguro isa-shout out ko ha. O bukas i-shout out ko yung ano, wala akong listahan ng mga ipapalo nyo sa FB ha. Hindi ko kasi makita yung dito. Started 2 hours ago. Hello, Martha. Mega love shout out. Vice President. Liga EXO ng buong Valenzuela. Sir Isidro Valera Jr., you're watching my live stream at YouTube and Facebook. Thank you very much for joining me. Please regards me to all executive officer of Valenzuela City. And mega love shout out sa YouTube, my anak, si Biswar Goodvibes. Mag-e-end na ako. Tinitignan ko lang kung lumutang yung 3 hours dyan eh. Practice lang to para sa grand live stream yard 2 bukas ng 1 p.m. Yes! Again and again, mega love shout out mga poging EXO ng Valenzuela City. And mega love shout out from Sir Isidro Valera Jr. Don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell. Paki-share na rin ang Lakay Music Lovers. And please don't forget to follow me in my Facebook and also my friends. Shout out ko na lang yung mga pangalan nila, ha?
Wow, kay DJ Bubu pala yan. Pa-share it naman.
Mega love shout out dyan sa pamilya and Facebook. Saka yung mga pumasok at lumabas. Mega love shout out sa inyong lahat.
This is the mix of DJ St. Mark.
And mega love shout out 8 million in the house. So, Lakay music lovers, thank you very much. We love you all. Good, thank you, Ama. Thank you.
This is the mix of DJ St. Mark.
Kantahin ko lang ulit ito kasi pinapractice ko to para i-upload ko.
Kari-kari ka ba? Kasi you're all I care about.
Kaldereta ka ba? Kasi you're so tender.
Nagamay ko lang to kasi may sarili akong version dito.
Silutong ng iyong tawa.
Practice ko to. Sarili kong version na para i-upload ko.
lonely. A face comes before me. The face of my dream. All night. Walk down by the river. Pretend that you're holding on. Try to see something about you. I heard that I love you. You are my pretty Rolex. Look at the words together. Night when the stars are to shine. Why the things that without you? I swear that I love you. You are my pretty light. You are my pretty light. Yes, take a shout out. Sir Delicio de Pula. Yes, thank you very big. Yes, again and again. Mega love shout out to Sir Gilicio de Gula from Mapulang Lupa, ang poging XO ng Mapulang Lupa under my friend Atoy Natividad, the good mayor, a good captain of Mapulang Lupa. O ito pa, isang kanta na pinapractice ko ha. Para sa aking upload. Yes! Sariling version ko ito. Woo! Love never lost today, baby. So fast, we don't win. Your head is mine, still conquer. And you make it sound, wanna shine. Yeah, follow me down so many roads, baby. Happy wildflower song, you so sad song. And very wrong, you do have no. You deserve what for the truth. And the clouds falling now, when the light. Storm never lasts, today, baby. Woo! We don't and you made it sound wanna shine. Yeah. Let's come on, the high music. Mega that shout out, que dice paramos from the Lagoon City, from Facebook. And mega that shout out.
Thank you for joining me in my life. So many roads leading. A big one flower sun is so sad. In every road you could have lost, you search but for the truth. And the clouds growing now won't be alive. Storms never last, so they fade. Time so fast, we don't need your head in my hands. And you made it sound, what a shine. Yeah. Storms never last, do they fade? That time lost, we don't win. Your hand in mine is September. And you made it sound, what a shine. Yeah. And you made it sound, what a shine. Yeah, come on, let's join us live stream. Yes, make shout out, madam. Rolling potential. Yan yung aking new version sa Storm Never Last. Pero yung original nito na tono, ito. Akantahin ko sa inyo.
Rexidol, mas mabilis na gamot para sa sakit ng ulo at iba pang sakit.
Yes,
Rexidol.
Shout out collect sa public market. Felipe Manalo. Ito yung original niya. Yan ang original na. You follow me down many I think while flowers and every road with the blur our search was for the truth. And the glass trembling now walking along. The storm never lasts till it fades. Vengeance be the wind. Your head in Yes, mega mega love shout out, Sir Jelicio de Gula, the XO of Papulang Lupa, Valenzuela City. Bigla kasi ano eh. Bigla nawala doon sa ano sa YouTube. Pasensya na. Oy, kapatid, mega mega love shout out sa iyo. Ba't wala kang damit? Oh, ito na, bigyan na kita. Legit 'yan, ha. Pinalaba ko kasi lahat yung mga damit nyo. Ken, sa Long Guides B, wala ka rin damit. Ito na. Legit 'yan. Pinalaba ko yung mga damit nyo. Oo, saktuin ko lang ng 3 oras to. Practice lang to. Naglagay lang ako ng StreamYard for tomorrow for my grand live StreamYard. Andyan, no, yung nakapin, yung hagdan para sa ano, practice lang ba? Ito, at another shout out from the EXO of Valenzuela City, Sir Jelicio de Gula. Ito ay para sa EXO ng mga Valenzuela EXOs.
Pagod sa workout? Okay lang yan. Quaker 7X ka ba today? Oats have 7 times more fiber than white rice. That help power up your day. Start every day with Quaker with 7 times more fiber.
Yes, para sa EXO ng Valenzuela City. The morning, let it prison on the hallway is dawn. I stood up to say goodbye like all the rest, and I heard you tell the warning just before we reached myself. Let my guitar play well to my request. Let it shake me down with a song I use. Make my own memories come alive. Maraming salamat dyan sa FB sa pagkulang na sing me back home before I die. I recall the Sunday morning I fly from the street. Came to sing a few old gospel songs, and I heard him tell the singer it's a song my mama sung, but I heard it once before you along. Sing me back home, the song I used to make my own memories come alive. Take me away and turn back the years. Sing me back home before I die. Mega love shout out sa mga EXO ng Valenzuela City. song I used to make my own memories come alive. Take me away, let's turn back home. Take me back home before I die. Sing me back home before I die. Sunod-sunurin na natin dahil pagdating sa 3 oras na mag-e-end na sila kay music lovers. Ito pa isang kanta para sa inyong lahat. Hello, nice to meet you. It's been a long time, we're just so long as a year used to be. How is you, love? Are you happy? Or you're going fine? Just to know this means so much to me. It's darling, how I'm doing, and doing alright, except my kids, and I fly down. But I'm trying to say is I love you, and I'm so sorry that I need you. Let me this world now say, let me hold you in his arms. Make that list, and it's there to take me closer to the days you see mine. Goodbye, darling, I gotta go now, but it's my way to remember all the love and you should find you just walk with me, oh darling, I'll be waiting. Yes, sunod-sunurin na natin. Ito yung mga bibirahin natin bukas para sa mga barangay EXO ng Valenzuela City. Ito pa isa para sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Tagal naman ng 3 oras. Siguro may last song na lang siguro. Okay, mga kapatid, thank you very much for joining me. Mag-e-end na ako. Wow! Mega love shout out, Kagawad. Virginia Pancho, thank you very much for joining me. And mega love shout out, Miss Evie Busano, support. Sisi, thank you. Mag-e-end na siguro ako, pero last song para dun sa aking kaibigan na si Madam Virgie Pancho. Ito last song para
help nourish them with the goodness of milk and wheat from Tiger.
And carry on. Night is done, and it's time to go. If she asks if you're all alone, it's okay to go. And don't forget what's making you wrong. Oh, darling, take that.
Okay, mega love shout out to Madam Aurelia Macapagal from Ilagan City. Last song sa request ni Madam Virgie Andaya Marca from USA. Ako nasaan na yun? Request niya. Kakantayin natin yung request. Ito. Mega love shout out to Madam Virgie Andaya Marca from USA. Ito na po ang iyong request. Together Again. Together again. My dreams have stopped falling. The long nights are not what I am. The key to my heart. You're holding your hand, and nothing else matters. We're together again. Maraming salamat po. Bro, Kabutoy, si Segri, at saka mga dyan, maraming salamat. And mega shout out to Madam Virgie Pancho and Madam Aurelia Macapagal. And Sir Delicio Tequila. Together again. The rain can slow down. You're walking my heart. Don't worry, belong. The road that I'm in is leading again. And we're together again. And nothing else matters. We're together again. Maraming salamat po. Mag-e-end na ako. Thank you very much sa support doon sa mga nagtambay dyan sa baba, sa FB, ay sa YouTube. Maraming salamat po. At maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Magva-vacuum na tayo. Nak, Biswar, thank you, Nak. Mag-e-end na ako, Nak. Thank you very much, ha. Ba-vacuum lang ako. Hindi ko na kayo iisa-isahin na. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.